Good morning, ma'am. I am Descari Caballero, 39 years old. My currently working is in Saudi Arabia. I work here 2023 to 2015, September 14. My employer wants me to extend my work until April 2026. They are my same employer, 2013 to 2016. They want me to come back because I'm hardworking. I have 4 kids. College student, 21 years old, senior high school, 16 years old, and grade 7, 14 years old, and 4 years old. I live in Philippines with my mother and my kids. I'm single. I want to work in Hong Kong because I'm thinking this is my opportunity to fulfill the dreams of my children to finish their study. I know how to cook Arabic food. I know how to take care kids, go to school, taking them back, taking care outside, play them, and I know how to cleaning because I'm the one charged to teach the new one, Kadama, or nanny here in Saudi Arabia, how to clean good. And I know how to iron, laundry. I do everything charge for the things of my employer and kids. I hope you choose me to work in your family, ma'am, sir. I'm willing to do my best to do my job in your family, in your house. Thank you for choose and time to check my video. Thank you, ma'am.